Today we're in downtown Sherman. We're checking out 903 Brewers. They've been in Sherman for a while, but they got a hip new spot on Houston Street. Let's go check it out. They brew a lot of beer here, and that means thousands of pounds of grain every single week. But here's the thing, it doesn't go to waste. The spent grain, still packed with protein, goes straight to Lawrence Land and Cattle, local ranchers right here in Grayson County. And the result? That burger on your plate, the 903 Smashburger. It was raised on the very grain that made the beer in your glass. Pair it with their Shadow Cat's Light Lager, and you've got this full circle story, farm to pint to plate. Alright y'all, that's the new 903 Brewers in downtown Sherman. Come in and grab the Smashburger and a pint for yourself. And if you like local spots like this, hit that subscribe button.